Alright, here we are, part 2 of the O2 Duramax build, also known as Desiree.
Donkey's breath.
Alright, in this video, we're tackling the inside audio build pretty much as a whole. Deck, front speakers. We're gonna finish up the light wiring for our, our rigids. Build the box, put the amps in hopefully, and basically be done with the build. We're also gonna have to do some deadener up here at some point because she's nice and yeah, it's a truck roof. And yeah, just to give you guys like some flow of how fast this stuff happens and how I'm just doing a little bit every day I'm home. I'm starting this when I just finished editing that last one. So yeah, and it's rendering and that'll go on YouTube later tonight. And hypothetically, you could be watching this the same day I'm shooting something. Wait a second. No, you'll watch that later. Scratch that. But anyways, let's get on with her. Let's take some stuff apart now, why don't we? Alright, so I guess now's as good a time as ever to give a little talk about in here. So we got the relays for the lights in, tested the switches, they work, beautiful. Got the head unit in now. You saw all that, but the one thing you might be asking yourself is, what the hell were these two wires that he put into the harness? Well, one's constant hot, and then the other is the key for the truck, which in theory, not sure if this is going to turn anything else on the truck on, but you should be able to take these two together and turn the deck on. And in theory, it actually works. Yeah, you can see that on there. And there we have music without having the key in the truck. Easy. Great for having drunk people around it. Meow. Oh, we've done a lot of progress. A lot of progress. We're starting in the back area here. We're gonna deaden this in a different video. I don't have enough right now, but we did the back wall. So we're gonna put a 6x4, 4x6 in there. A little bit of deadening in each door. And of course our amps are going here, so I'm just figuring out, cut a bit of the carpet away. We're gonna put a fuse block here. And I'm just polished up where our honker ass dual, what is this rated for? Dual 350. So 350 KC mill down to 6 rated block. It's gonna go right there. Boom, it's way overkill, but you know, why not overkill when you have it? So yeah, it's going good. Beauty. All right, and yesterday is next week. So yeah, I just got back from a bunch of work. Got the back seat in. I believe we left off showing you guys these doors being put back together. Well, that's done. Cheapo speakers are in. All of our wires are under here somewhere. The goal now is to measure up for the box and build it. So we're gonna get to that right quick and, you know, continue on. But so far this whole thing, it's been going pretty good. That's all I can really say about it. I hope you're enjoying the video, but let's continue. Set so fucking fast. I don't want to wait, and I only have a little bit to do, so So I don't know if I'm gonna include my dither there, but you probably saw it. I cut 3 holes. I said I might cut 2, but we're gonna try 3. This box is a bit of an experimentation. One, fucking love how the amps are laying out on top, but the box only goes to like right there. It's gonna do a little bit more Bondo. I'm gonna make it fucking nice. But anyways, the inside is like minimum spec for airspace for these woofers at 0.2 cubic feet per woofer. It's a very small, tight box, and I want to see how they perform, all 3 of them, with their minimum airspace listed, which is going to be a bit of an experiment. And in the future, I might put 2 12s or 2 10s or something a little bit more my style, high power under them. But anyway, so far, this is the update. This is what's left, and that's how they're going to sit, and I'm really happy with it. So like in a high heat scenario, this will be flipped up when you're partying, bumping tunes all day long. If not, those should sit under there just fine. You can see all my, where I still want to do some filler to make the box nice, and just enough clearance to do all the other stuff, and she's looking beauty. All right, I got the power wiring down. Let's see if these poppers turn on. Boom, blue lights on each. Beautiful. Won't be long now. Wiring's a bit loose. It's the way I'm leaving her for now. Was just bump and turn the gains up a little bit. It's conservative, because these amps will kill anything that you put on them. Oh, that's so not true. Anything that's in this build that's on them, like these, get murked. Those are sized pretty good, but she doesn't sound bad at all. I'm gonna see if I can find a little snippet to play for you guys here, and then we're gonna call her a build. So far it's gone really well, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. So let's bump some tunes here. All right, we're back. We're out for a rip. She's done. We've already done this lap once, so I know what's gonna happen. Hopefully this light on my face is enough, but we got cameraman with a beard behind us. You'll see a shot. You see his face. You see his face right here. Anyways, we're gonna go. Oh, there it is. Fine, fine. Be like that. We're gonna cut this out, but we're gonna send her on this run. So check out these lights and some tunes here. I'm only human after.
Hold up, wait a minute, bring it right back. Mix that real with that turn up, call it boom trap. I ain't heard no shit like this in so long.
Hashtag shaky camera footage for days.
Hey, doing my best.
I know. We need a fucking GoPro gimbal is what we need. No lights? Lights. No lights. Lights. Half lights. Other half lights. Turn signals. Lights! You recording?
Action.
Action. All right, we're back. We're out for.
Here we are, out here in the cold, in the dark. Kind of scary. Pretty cold. I'm dressed for Hawaii. Not Hawaii.